I should do it.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Use that shit.
Oh shit.
It gives you a stamina when it's just turned on.
Oh my god, dude, when you used to zap people in base before, that was fucking hilarious. You can't get nobody with that, can you?
No, it gives you a stamina.
I thought it was a DX, bro.
It gives you a stamina.
It doesn't knock me out.
Nah.
Oh man, who you can believe, me or your own eyes? Come on, man.
You don't want it? You guys want some sulfur? I'm probably just gonna go down some more.
You gotta get yourself a
Yep, see, told you. Works
I'm
pretty
not
good.
doing that, bro.
I thought you did. Oh well.
Yeah, I got activated. You do it first.
Yeah. You get yourself a few cans of food, dude? In the canteen?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I'll be right back, pal. Hang on.
This guy just got robbed. This poor bastard.
I'm trying, bro. Wake up.
He won't wake up. He has to defib himself.
Nah,
He has
man.
to be defibbed to get up.
What?
Yeah, it won't work. He has to be defibbed.
Help him. He's dead. I think he's dead. Oh my god, get that man up. He's got a lot of guns, bro. Did he have it on?
Oh, he won't wake up. Like, legit, he won't.
Is he just dead?
No, he's still alive. He'll have to kill himself or an admin will have to get him up.
Crazy bastard. Nah, I used to get somebody with one of those that just didn't look at the thing. Yeah, your teammate, I hope.
That just got robbed, bro.
Yeah, you guys have seen
He
it,
just
or?
got robbed so hard.
He's dead now.
I got an envious heavy now, though.
Is there any toxic zones? I found a gas mask. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if you need only a mask in a server or something.
100 grand in your bank, dude.
I do.
Hello there.
Hey.
Show us your tits!
I'm sorry, I don't
You're
have
definitely
any.
peeping top. Are you a peeping top?
Yes.
Everybody put your best thing in your inventory into the Range Rover trunk.
Alright, unlock it first.
No thanks.
Lucky I didn't take that military crate kit.
Oh, you think we're gonna steal from you, bro? That's a ban. You think I'm gonna do that? You think I'm that crazy?
Yo, that's some nice white wheels right there you got there. You mind if you
It's a
spare me one?
competition. Who can put the best gun into the trunk?
Yo, you mind if I get a white wheel off of you guys? Let's go, boys! Hop on the road!
You're gonna die.
I'm gonna block you.
I wonder if I could get somebody with a defibrillator again.
Is that in the game?
Yeah, the other day I convinced somebody to fucking hit themselves with it, and it knocks them out here in safe zone, and nobody can get them back up. Like, they can't be revived. And so you just take all their shit and leave.
In safe zone?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, defibrillator, $1,000. Hey man, you want a stamina buff?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here you go. Fucking use that shit.
You're gonna zap yourself, bro. Get yourself.
Nice. Wow.
You're an asshole, city guard.
he really did it. Poor little
He
feller.
really fucking did it.
Poor little feller.
I'm trying to save his ass. He's dead, yo. I'm
You're
resuscitating him. He's not doing anything.
You literally will not be able to resuscitate him. He has to get picked up by an admin or kill himself.
What's wrong with him?
He got defibbed. Y'all are fucking savages. Look at you people. You monsters.
Oh my God,
What have you done to
Jerry!
toe tags?
I'd punch him, bro. I'd punch him and I'd kick him if I could, bro. I swear to you.
What is this?
Hey, you want a stand buff?
Huh?
You want a stand buff?
A stam buff?
Yeah, use that, and you'll get a stand buff.
How the fuck do you use this?
You just use it
Oh.
like that, yeah.
You steal a shit, I'll follow you out of green.
Poor little fella.
Don't take a shit, I will follow you out of green, murder.
He's not waking up.
Fucking killed him.
He's not dead.
No, he's not. He's alive. Back the fuck up, mister.
Yeah, look at this
No,
shit.
you. I will
guy.
call you
Wonder
out.
how much
Hey man, I can
stuff.
stand where I want.
No, you cannot.
Yeah, obviously I can. I'm standing here.
I will fall you out of green in one second.
I'll follow you out of here in one tap you.
Yeah, I will. Oh yeah, now you can.
You got a fucking version, dog.
Take it,
He's
take
got
it,
him
go.
stuck under the car.
Stop on.
Bro,
Hey, that's a G right there.
what the fuck just happened?
I'll follow you out of this safe zone.
Amazing. Dude defibbed himself. Ha!
That was epic, dog.
That's 3 for 3, man. That's 3 for fucking 3. I've gotten 3 motherfuckers to defib themselves in the safe zone. 3 attempts, 3 motherfuckers doing it.
Absolute.
What do you want? What do you want?
What? No, nothing.
Okay.
This looks like
Yeah. Has he got any good shit? Maybe. Before he sells anything.
hey, Brahms, how you doing? You wanna stand by?
Hello. What happened?
You wanna stand by?
What is this?
You just use it. Gives you a buff.
Look at that, dude. No way, dude.
Oh, he had so much money.
Oh no, my God! Look. I got his helmet and I'm fucking just rob him blind, bro. That's
Okay,
fucking class.
We gotta go.
Depot that money, get the fuck out of here, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, he's sleep at night. Jesus Christ.
Dude, 150 grand.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Oh my God. And he's by himself. He's got no one. There was no one there.
No proof, no nothing. Got his helmet, his night vision. I took his fucking food.